Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video I will be unboxing this Philips centrifugal juicer. I got it from Amazon and it just came in. I don't know why the box did not have a seal, but let's see if the juicer was not tampered with. So in the box I have this lid, which I believe is for the cup. And then there is the cup. And it also has this, which applies pressure to the fruit when juicing, and that also comes with a lid. You can also add water through this into the juicer. And in the box there is the old juicer, which has already been assembled. And the other things in the box are just the manuals. And in one of the manuals is the instruction on how to clean the juicer and also how to couple it. I really find this click by the side cool because it just protects every other part to stay together, which I find cool, but it's kind of also fragile. And that is the top. It was a bit quite of an also to remove the other parts. So I had to go back to the manual, but at least I figured it out. Yeah, and this part is where the juice comes out, and that is the sieve which squeezes the fruit. And this part is just like a magnet which clicks to the other parts of the machine. And here is where the fruit pulps goes into. So unlike the other juicer which have extra cup for fruit pulps, but that just goes inside there, which I find really cool. In the instruction, it is written that it's advisable to always wash the juicer before use. So I just quickly washed that with soapy water and just allow it to dry for some minutes. Make sure to restore it to remove any soap residue. Nice. It's time to couple it to assemble them together. And I just go with the way it was before, but I have to be careful to make sure the sides are click. So that is the first part, which is for the fruit pulp, and then the squeezer, which squeezes the fruit to bring out the juice. And here, this is where the juice comes out from. And it coats in the back, this part where the juice comes out, for it turns 120-degree, which I find cool. And then it has this bigger one. And also with this clicking, the side which aligns really well where it has holes to click, it has, this is the part that has to be locked first before the other part, because I had issues closing it, but I later figured it out. And here is the cup with the lid. I really hope, I really wish the lid has like a filter to remove extra pops for the from the juice, but yeah. And my first juice was beetroot, and it did amazing job, and it was also easy to clean. There was no beetroot residue. I really like the juicer, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and also share. Thanks, bye.